Actually, I've been looking for that, yung deepfake na audio. I couldn't find it. So hopefully, the social media platforms have been responsible enough to take all of those posts down. Secondly, yung deepfake na audio na yan, if I wish I could have seen it, just shows how desperate the opposition is against our president, President Bongbong Marcos, because he's doing a spectacular job in managing our foreign policy to the point that they try to sabotage him. And that's why I feel also that this should not be taken lightly. I would like to call on the National Security Council and all members of our government to take this very seriously, because this is actually sabotage on our president's foreign policy. That's what this is. And well, if there's a need to amend our laws and declare this type of behavior as a form of terrorism, well, then we will refer to our leader here in Congress, our leader, Speaker Martin Romualdez.